Dude.
Oh my. This is retarded.
You have to swallow it.
Shut up. I have to swallow anything. I'll probably die before I swallow it. Watch my mom get home and I'm like on the ground dying. Oh! Okay. How much?
A little bit more.
Right there?
A little bit more. A little bit more.
Holy crap, I don't want to die.
You're not going.
Ow! Okay.
Right, there you go. Okay, now you have to swallow it and put it in your mouth. Swallow just the whole thing. Just all. Dude. Be by the sink. Be by the sink. Be by the sink. Oh my god. You can't, dude. Here, wash your mouth out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you okay? Try it again. Try it again. Put cinnamon away. Okay.
Oh. Did you record it?
Yeah.
Stop it.